when the lightning strikes, I found my name. Tangled in the rain of an old storm game. Crochet dreams while the thunder roars, stitch by stitch through the unlatched doors. Success is just a cat in the morning sun, slinking through the house like a silent gun. We chase those threads of silky delight, walk through storms just to find our light. In life's storm, I'll be standing tall, crochet my dreams as the raindrops fall. Cats purr by the window pane, house holds the threads of joy and pain. Thunder claps and the sky goes dark, crocheting hopes in each tiny spark. House stays warm through the raging storm. Cats curl up and keep us calm and warm. Success whispers in the language of a loom, threads of courage chasing away the gloom. Life is stitches in the knots we learn to tie. Through every thunderstorm we